In this short video, you will learn about USD transactions on COBINHOOD exchange. When you are looking for a reliable way to withdraw or deposit USD for your crypto trading or investments, COBINHOOD is an obvious choice because it offers zero cryptocurrency trading fees, crypto assets deposit secured in an offline multi-sig vault, high-performance order matching engine, millions of orders with sub-millisecond latency. COBINHOOD.com in partnership with ePay.com is offering 3 trading methods: USD to BTC, USD to Ether, and of course USD to USDT Tether. Daily limitation for withdrawal or deposit is $15,000 USD and the cost of withdrawal is $20 per transaction. There is an extra information about using ePay.com platform, so be sure to check the links in the video description below. To start trading fiat on COBINHOOD, you have to complete 3 simple steps. Create and verify your account on ePay.com. Log in to COBINHOOD and verify your account to know your customer or KYC to level 3. Deposit fiat currencies to your ePay account and start trading fiat on COBINHOOD. All extra information and a guide with instructions step by step is provided in the links below. I hope by now you have learned a bit about COBINHOOD exchange, and if you still do not have a COBINHOOD account, you will create yours today.